Well, hey guys, Captain Cook here. So glad you could join me. We're looking at some DIY sand spikes. You know, something you can put your rods in when you're out on the beach. And these are some that I designed and 3D printed. And the cool thing I like about it, you can buy these things. I mean, they're similar to this. Might be better. Pretty sure they are. But you know, when you run up, you know, you're getting a bam, bam, bam. You're getting that big strike, you know, you're out on the beach, you know. You can just walk up, you can grab this thing and just pull it right out. There's no tube to go in, you got to pull it out like this, and nah. All you got to do is walk up, grab it, pull it right out. Now, this is my design. I 3D printed these parts, and what I did was, so right now, and so just as a prototype, I just two-part epoxied these parts in here. You know, didn't think they'd last long like that. Been fishing them for 6 months. They're holding up great. I do want to do a design where you can move this cup that holds your. These are made for mine. So maybe you have a rod that's got a shorter butt. You want to move it up or move it down. So I am developing something that'll have like a wing nut. You know, you can move this up and down. But you know, these things have done well. So I've got these mounted on a piece of stainless steel actually. And this is 1.5 by 1.5 by 1/8 stainless steel. You see, they don't have those, you know, where you stomp it down in the ground. I've never liked those. I never have. So what I do is, let me step over here for a minute. I've always carried one of these with me, and that's what I pounded in with, is one of these. But man, this two-part epoxy is holding up really well. So I love these things. This cup is meant to be a little deeper. I stopped them short just so I could get it out and use it a little bit, but they work really well. I've never had a problem with them popping out. They hold really good. And the cool thing is, man, you just grab it and you come out with it. Go back, you set it in the cup, lean it forward, there it goes. So, hey, you know, these rod holders, these sand spikes that are like this, they're really expensive. You know, they're $65, $70, and it's hard to even find them now. So I designed this part, got the stainless steel, and the stainless steel is not that bad. It's not that heavy. You know, it's really not that heavy. And I pound them into the sand. It's not that bad. So guys, this is what I've got for my DIY sand spike. I just wanted something a little different, something you can just run up to and grab it off. You know, you come back off the beach, you've casted it, and you just want to, you don't have to, you know, you just set it in the cup, lean it forward, and there it goes. So this is my prototype. I've been testing it out, like I said, for 6 months, and man, this thing is awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. These things are great. I love them. I love them. I do. And I'm gonna put it out there for free. You know, if you guys have a 3D printer, this thing's gonna be up on several different platforms where you can pick it up and print it yourself. But man, you know, that two-part epoxy on there. You know, of course I can't move anything right now, but I do want to, in the process of developing something where you can move this bottom cup up and down to facilitate whatever rod you have. So guys, that's what I've got, my a little sand spikes for surf fishing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I do appreciate you. Thank you very much for joining me, and we'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Guys, take care.